Hello again, this is John here from Multi, and today I'll be installing RAM on a 2009 Mac Pro, and after the installation I should have two 1GB of RAM, two 2GB of RAM, resulting in a total of 6 gigs of RAM. So let's get right to it. After removing the latch from the Mac Pro, get rid of the bottom part, which includes the processor and the RAM. Now here is what you should get after removing the bottom part. So go ahead and remove the RAM from the system. You should hear the click sound. The RAM should come out easily, and if not, there's something wrong. Insert the new RAMs in a descending order, so in my case, I have two 2GB of RAM on the front and two 1GB of RAM on the back. Finally, make sure the RAMs are in the right place, and in the upcoming videos I'll be comparing the speed of the 4 gigs of RAM and 6 gigs of RAM.